Well, hello there. Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're harnessing the power of the sun. Yeah, we're doing solar panel things. Stay tuned. Okay, so what we are working with today will be a 200-watt solar kit from Amazon. Comes with everything you need, the charge controller, all the wiring, everything you need. Yeah, two 100-watt solar panels. The El Cheapo controller, which will give us room to improve later on. Comes with all the wiring, the brackets, all the hardware, stainless steel. We are going to mount it on our old Griffin roof rack. We've had this rack for quite a minute, and we're going to repurpose it. It should work fine for our applications. We are going to use some stock plate as a backing inside just to reinforce it. Tools are going to be a drill, grinder, the regular stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this one. One, two, three, four. Those are going to be the backing plates on the inside. No, you don't need to look at me. Brackets installed.
Hee
Good?
Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you turn it a bit? There we go.
Now you know. If the bracket's on.
Okay.
They're on?
They are.
Can I go check?
Yeah.
See what it looks like.
Yeah, that works. Now, can you grab all those wires and bring them to the back?
So you have to like
Can you go over the bar? Or actually, yeah, no, that's fine. That'll be good there. Okay. All to that one side, yeah. Okay, so what we need to do now is plug them in parallel like we did with the batteries. So we have 200 watts. So what we need to do is put positive with positive here. So this guy goes in here, and this guy goes in here. And then this guy here, and this guy here. Okay, so we have our entry gland here, which these two cables are gonna go into. So I believe our entry gland is gonna be in this area here. Okay, so we figured that our entry gland, which is what our two cables are gonna come out from inside from the charge controller, are gonna plug into these. We will be putting it right here. Yep, because my charge controller is right there. It's gonna be fun, 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 fun. Let's do there. Is that gonna be good? That's gonna be good. Wires in. Okay. Ain't no turning back, bro.
Red the Subaru. Nice.
Interesting. I like it. Come and see.
Hello.
Okay. So we are at the sealing part of the video, and we need to seal this here, and we need to seal the bottom of the rack. We are using the Proform PF224. I've never used this, but apparently this is the stuff to use, so we're gonna give it a go. And yeah, let's go. Okay, so gland installed.
How's that? Great. We did it! Roof rack is on. All the bolts are in and gooped up. Let's go.
All right, guys. So everything got sealed up, and we are just about to put this part back on, which is the main part of the rack. Well, hot diggity dog. A little bit of adjustment, but yeah, we got ourselves a roof rack ready to hang those solar panels on.
Safety, oh, there you are. Safety is no accident. Yeah, so that concludes the install of the roof rack. We are now going to go up and install the solar panels. Let's go up there. It's a beautiful day, nice and sunny. We gotta go back to the parts store.
What do you need now? What do you not have?
I don't have 3/8 eyelids. Or the battery.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, so we're just going to finish wiring up this solar panel in here. Beautiful. So the kit did come with some the wiring from the controller, the solar controller to the battery. I found it was really small gauge, so whatever was left from what's coming from the solar to the controller, I'm gonna use. If it's good enough for the controller, it should be good enough for the battery. Alrighty, so we're gonna go down here. Try to bring you guys with me. Not sure where you're gonna get the best view. Not too sure where you're gonna get the best view, but what you see there is the charge controller. The wire's hanging there. The one with the tape is coming from the solar panel. We need to plug positive and negative in the charge controller. So from the charge controller to the battery, we got to plug that in first. Then we are good to plug the solar in. Okay. Not sure where I can put you guys so you can see and I can get in there and work.
Well, there you go, guys. Solar panels are working and charging our batteries. We will fix all that wiring eventually. So our batteries are getting charged right now for free. Yay.
Well, you gotta love that Okanagan sun. Batteries are topped off. Little trickle charge coming in, 2.1 amps. Gotta love it.
Well, it was actually a really easy project.
Yeah, it was. It was good. It was. We measured a lot and used the proper sealant. Job well done. Something we needed anyways. So yeah, looking forward to the next project. We're feeling pretty confident. We are gonna make a big hole. We need a roof vent. We need some ventilation. So yeah, hopefully you guys stick around and you'll be there for the next one.
So thanks for watching. Let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an episode.
Peace.